My last shave wasn't the greatest one I've had. As a matter of fact, it's probably the worst shave I've ever had in my 1 year of traditional wet shaving. So for this shave, I want to make up for what I did. Stay tuned for a makeup shave. Hey, welcome back. My name is Chris. You can search me up on YouTube and Instagram at shave_and_chat. I'm here with the razor company to have a makeup shave. I'm also going to be using an artisan that I've never used before. I will be using Hags for the very first time. Oh man, to me this has a beautiful fresh smell to it. There might even be a little bit of citrus in here, but hey, leave a comment down below and correct me if I'm wrong. While you're leaving a comment, if you want to go ahead and leave a like on this video and of course subscribe to the Razor Company, that would be fantastic. Then hey, if you want to head over to Instagram where they have an abundance of traditional wet shave content, they also do a live shave every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern. They typically have 4 gents on there showing off their gear, having a great shave, a few laughs, and one of the coolest things is they also pull a name to win a special prize. Go follow them on Instagram. Oh man, this stuff is so good. And if you're looking to pick up any Hags, I'll go ahead and I'll leave the Razor Company's link down below here so you can go check them out. I also have the matching splash, and then I'll be ending off the entire shave with the matching aftershave balm. And now because I'm having a makeup shave, I'm going with a razor that I can depend on to give me that close to BBS shave that I love whenever it happens. I'm going in with the Henson AL13 medium. And now some of you might be thinking, dude, that's a super mild razor. You're not gonna get much of a shave out of that. Well, my friend, I don't know if you've tried this combination or not, but a feather blade in a Henson mild razor is a dream. And I'll be lathering up with this beautiful Parker synthetic brush. This thing is gorgeous. But first, let's get this shave started with a leaf pre-shave oil. So just like my last shave, still learning. I should have had a feel of this Hag soap before loading my brush because I didn't realize this is some really soft soap. I should have probably bowl lathered. Well, guys, I'm still learning. So my brush is loaded, but it might be loaded way too much. Let's paint this on and see what happens. This smells really fresh. Holy. Okay, let's go ahead and throw in that feather. I have to say, I'm thoroughly impressed with this lather. I've heard a lot about Hags, but I never really thought to try them. Man, was I ever missing out? Do you have Hags? What scent do you guys currently have? Right away, this first pass was fantastic. This Hags has like a thickness to it, which is pretty awesome. I felt very protected that whole first pass. Let's go in for that second one. I have to thank Carlos for this one. So during the Toronto meetup, we all went back to Carlos's house. And if you're not sure who Carlos is, I highly recommend following him on Instagram. Shave On Gents. I'll leave his handle down below here so you can check him out. That guy has a den of all dens. I hope that one day I also can have a den like Carlos. So Carlos has a bunch of hags, and I smelled a bunch of them, but this one, it just felt different. It smells so good. Thanks a lot, Carlos. Guys, if you can leave in the comments below, is Hags base have some sort of thick protective layer in it or something? Third and final pass, and I have to admit, I'm pretty sad. I don't want this to end. I'm really enjoying this shave. Alright guys, this shave feels so good. Man, I'm loving every minute of it. I'm so glad you're here to enjoy the shave with me, even though you might not be shaving. But maybe you are. I'm gonna go ahead and wash off the rest of the soap, finish off the rest of the shave. My replacement, Parker's alum block. It's nice having an alum block that isn't broken and tearing away at your skin while you're trying to use it. Oh yeah, this was a good shave. Much needed. If you haven't used the Henson Mild with a feather blade, give it a shot. I don't know if you can tell, there's quite a bit of residue on the handle, as well as on the plates. So I'm pulling out the trusty toothbrush, and I'm gonna give the razor a nice little scrub down. And there you go. The Henson AL13 Mild is freshly cleaned up, ready for the next use. And now I don't know if this really prolongs my equipment or not, but I mean, it can't hurt. Plus, isn't it nice to have a nice clean razor that's been scrubbed down every once in a while? I would say yeah. Clean your gear, everybody. Clean your gear. Now I'll toss on some Thayers. Now I'll throw on some Hags Aftershave Splash. This is some nice splash. Wow. No burn. Very good. Holy. And now let's finish off the entire shave with the Hags Aftershave Balm. Man, this balm is even really good. Holy. All right, guys. There's the end of the shave. If I were to rate this, this is a solid 10 out of 10 shave. Compared to the last shave that I had, which I'd give that much lower than a 10. This was phenomenal. Highly recommend Hags for sure. And on that note, my name is Chris, here with the Razor Company. You make it a great shave, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.